Welcome to ChallengeForex. My name is Steve, and join me today as I go through my chart and have a look at one of my favorite trading strategies. It's using moving averages only. We don't need any additional indicators to do this one. So it's great for beginners and easy setups to identify on the chart. I use this one quite a lot for prop firm trading, and I've actually been funded now, I think 8 or 9 times. At the moment doing 10k challenges, but earning money from my payouts to actually put towards bigger prop firm challenges like 50 or 100k challenges. So let's have a look at the chart. And this is a perfect chart setup showing the actual strategy that I'm talking about today, which is the moving average strategy. No RSI, no stochastic, no CCI indicators, no MACD, just EMAs. And simple rules are this one: we've got a 200 EMA for trend and direction. Then we have 3 moving averages, which is at 8, 13, and 21. And these ones I use for the entry points. The 200 EMA I use for the trend direction. And what I'm looking for an entry is we want to see the price and the faster moving averages a bit of distance away from the 200 moving average. And if it's even getting further away, then that's even better. It's showing a longer trend. And the entry points are simple as well. We need to have the 8 above the 13 and the 13 above the 21 for an entry, but we look for a pullback to the moving averages. It can actually close below the moving averages as well. This is for a long trade. And then the next candle that closes above the moving averages would be the entry. So in this particular case here, we're looking at this candle is the entry once it's closed above the moving averages after the pullback. That one's got a 50 pip stop loss, which is a bit bigger than what I normally go for. But here's another pullback and a close above. This one is a 35 pip stop loss. Here again, we have another pullback to the moving averages and a close above. That one has a 40 pip stop loss. And once we get to this level, we could have got stopped out at this one, depending on if we had have entered. Like, this is the start of a new day, so I'm a bit reluctant to get in at that time. I'd prefer to get in towards the end of the Asian session or beginning of the London session. But you can see here we have a turn of direction and the moving averages are out of alignment. So any setups at this time would not be valid because these indicators are showing a short-term short trade, but we're still above the 200 moving average, showing we only want to take long trades. So entry points would have been, we would have actually, so this one was not an entry because the 8 and the 13 are below the 21 moving average. So this could have been set up, but it's not, because of that particular rule filtering it out. However, over here, we've had a change of direction again, resuming the long trend, and we've had a pullback here to the moving average and a close above. If we got in at this candle, very tight stop, 14 pips, or we could have waited for the next candle just to sort of use as a confirmation, and this one here is about 27 or 28 pips, and all of these trades here that we can see possible setups would have been profitable for us anyway. And just go back a little bit further. I'm not sure if we'll find a short trade to have a look at, just as comparison for different angles. You can see here there's a period where there was no trading at all on this pair. It looks like it seems to trend more in the long direction than in the short. Here we can see we actually had a cross of the 200 moving average and then a pullback to the moving averages and a close below. So this would have been an entry with around 50 pip stop loss. We would have had a close pullback the following day, but not stopped out, and then it would have been a profitable trade. So the setup is basically the same for short. We want to see trading below the 200 moving average, and the 8, 13 and 21 all lined up in order. A pullback to the moving averages and then a close below, and that's your entry. So hopefully this will help you with identifying some simple trades to take place. And let me know if you have tried this strategy and if you've had any success with it, or if you don't think it's that great. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that one. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit the like and subscribe, and I will see if I can do some more for you. Thank you.